guys, welcome back to Glamour Gadgets and Gaming by Leah. And what do we have here? Weighing at around 192 grams and around 9mm in thickness, with a nice two-tone matte finish and a solid build quality, this is the Redmi Note 10 5G, which has been launched in the UK today. Today guys, I'll be sharing a very quick unboxing and overview of the Redmi Note 10 5G. Included in the box we have a SIM eject tool, a user manual, warranty card, a clear TPU case, an 18 watts USB charging plug, USB Type-C charging cable, and the Redmi Note 10 5G, which comes with MediaTek Dimensity 700, a 90Hz 6.5-inch IPS screen with 450 nits brightness. We have Gorilla Glass 3 protection, a front-facing dot camera, a massive 5000 mAh battery, 18 watts fast charging, 48 megapixel main camera sensor, and a side fingerprint sensor which is integrated with the power button here on the right hand side. Now check out the specs for it on the screen in front of you. The Redmi Note 10 5G has a plastic back which has a nice two-tone style finish. Here on the right hand side we have a fingerprint sensor and a volume rocker. At the top we have a speaker, a front facing dot camera, an IR blaster and a 3.5mm headphone jack. And at the bottom we have a mic, speaker and a USB Type-C port. And here on the left we have the SIM card tray. The Redmi Note 10 5G supports 5G, 2 nano SIMs and a micro SD card. I'm really liking the look and the build of the latest Redmi smartphones, and especially the Redmi Note 10 Pro, which I recently reviewed on the channel. And guys, this one definitely looks and feels good in the hand. We have MIUI 12 out of the box with some standard default apps and a bit of bloatware, but this all can be changed from settings where some of these extra apps can be uninstalled. I have updated the firmware and the phone is smooth and fluent. As for the cameras guys, the phone records 1080p 30 frames per second max and also has electronic image stabilization. Now, although guys this phone is not flagship level, it is very decent, and especially for the price, which I will leave for you guys in the description box below this video. Now guys, check out some photo and video samples on the screen in front of you. So I'm walking with the Redmi Note 10 5G. Check out the stability and also the audio on the smartphone. It's early morning. It's around 6:30 AM. Nice, sunny and bright and very warm. Six times zoom. So what do you guys think of the pictures and videos? The pictures and videos, in my opinion, are pretty decent, considering this is not a flagship quality smartphone. I will be sharing a more detailed video on this smartphone very soon, in which I will be testing out the cameras, audio, gaming, Antutu Benchmark, Wi-Fi speed tests, etc. So do look out for that video coming on the channel soon. Meanwhile, if you do have any questions, do share these in the comments below. So this was a very quick unboxing and overview of the Redmi Note 10 5G. I have left the link for it in the description box below for you guys to go and check out. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you have, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Hit that bell icon above and follow me on Twitter, Facebook and Instagram to be notified of my upcoming videos, giveaways, etc. I do have lots to share with you guys, so do stick around. And guys, thank you so much for watching. Till the next one, take care, stay safe, bye.